had a pretty cool week in temperature, but I feel the frost coming from up north. New ceramic coatings are out on the market. They're flooding everywhere still. It's confusing everybody, but what really works? What have I dabbled my fingers in, and what's on this Jeep? Ooh, something fun! A consumer grade ceramic coating that everyone might want in the future. But I'm gonna test it first. Not one to just jump on a bandwagon and grab this and grab that and promise this and promise that. No, not happening. When I put my name behind something, I'm gonna guarantee high quality, longevity, and that it works. This Jeep, I did not correct this Jeep. Coated. This Jeep was not corrected. Why? Because this coating is going to be something you apply. Stay tuned.